So why cane course when you have like Great Danes? Me, that took me a dog to be this. I can't get the main point. 2 months ago, like, when I first went with him, we could have got a dog, our first dog, like mine would die, but we had the money at the time. So, we had the money at the time, we just didn't want to make sure at the time. Like if we really wanted a dog, but by the time we made the decision up, we couldn't get that cane corso. That cane corso was all black. It was just a puppy. So my mom, who was selling cane corso puppy, we found one, but I had to wait 2 months. 2 months, I did nothing but research. How to train my dog, what not to do to a dog, specifically a cane corso. I did that for 2 months straight. I'll say 5 times a week. Like the days I would do some type of research, because I ain't want to waste them up to be disobedient, I guess you could say. I don't know why I'm looking up, but let's get back. See, this is how he do. All he poppy, why he do this? That's just his genetics. Yes, his genetics. I'm really glad that I had to wait on 2 months, because like I said, if I would have got that all black cane corso around the dot, we wouldn't be here today. He wouldn't even be alive most likely. Taking care of him when he was a puppy, nightmare for him. Waking up to count that boo run literally every night. He got to worry. A day didn't even pass by how we wanted to get rid of him. I hold on, held on. The day, that's what I wanted, that's what I asked for, that's what I got, that's what I had. Yeah, and that's what I want. Ain't nothing over there, he's just so fixated over there. But I got a question for you guys. Do y'all prefer all caption, no caption? It's basically me talking on the camera. But you can either say it or no. It'll be done just like that. It'll get done. Yeah, so like I was saying, like I was just doing a whole bunch of research. How to get my dog to sit, how you get him to down, how to get my dog to sit stay, how to get him to down stay, how to get him to stay, all that. Basically just the basic command. I did this on my own. Walk. Big sport boy. That's all he use. And very protective. Why they so refreshing just talking from the camera? We've been there all course of the night, just all straight talking, you know. It's the main problem they have. I have with them. Main problem. They tired from day when I changed, but still on the outside. It came back then. Come. Speaking of come, yes. Yeah, we call. Wow. Come. Oh. I still got a problem with it. I still getting the come when you like really fucks on his leg. I don't know what I said. Couldn't tweet. What else? Well, I guess I'm gonna be on the chance so you get one. No. I'm not in a position to tell you. I'm not in a position to say, yes, get a cane corso, no, get a cane corso. It's basically on your personal need. Like I said, I just want the big dogs. If we always grow up with small dogs, I want a dog that really affectionate him. I just support him. And how he do. Guard and protects and sleep a lot. They play we're playing on the side. I hope they make me listen to the video. I'm not gonna talk to them. It'll be the longest video on the channel so far. But still. I mean, I didn't realize I thought they were gonna be doing this like that. Well, yeah, they're very pretty. Just make sure y'all do your research beforehand. Like I said, if we were to choose to get that cane corso right there and there, that all black one, we wouldn't be here today. Just pretend he's all black, the one we're talking about. He wouldn't even be here. I know the thing is though, one of them that really like main problem for me is the socialized part. As you can see, we live in the woods out here. That's all you see. That point is home. But if we do like have visual, it really don't be doing out here. I pop a boy. We always put more just to make sure. Wow, good come. Wow, sit. Good sit. They're really good. Him doing it. I really need to work on that point. He completely focus on me. It either just tend to do whatever I want. Like sit, stay down, all that. Usually he ain't really supposed to be getting up unless I tell him like stand. For example. Wow. Stand. Good stand. Wow. Sit. And it's a 10 maybe like crazy. Pretty much you could leave it at that point. Peace.